What's up, everybody? Good morning. Leaving the mansion hostel at Pine Grove Furnace. It's a pretty nice day. I slept really good, actually. It was nice. So we're either doing like 15 to a shelter or 21 to get to Boiling Springs, PA. So we'll see. Anyway, started out slow. Not quite there yet. Anyway, you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. We are out of the mountains for now. Into farmland. So this is a nice change of pace from the rocks we've been doing the past 12 miles. Almost there. We relocated to Iowa, I think. This is the Field of Dreams. Is that where it went down? If you build it, they will come. I think that's where we're at. No, we're in Pennsylvania. That's right. Here in Carlisle, PA, we just happened to be here on the weekend. They got a little street festival going on, so we're gonna see what's going on. Morning, everybody. We're back on trail today. It is Sunday, June 10th, excuse me, July 10th. And we just got dropped off in Boiling Springs by a shuttle driver. Had a good 0 day yesterday. In Carlisle, got me some new shoes. Some other ones were disgusting and pretty much dead. So, and got a couple other things. Went back, had a few nice meals. And so we're back out today. We're gonna hit Duncannon here by the end of the day. We got some more farmland pasture walking to do, so I might just break out this umbrella that I've probably only used 4 times, but I just wanted to hold on to it for some reason. Maybe today's the day. So I hope you all enjoy the rest of the weekend, and we will talk to you soon. All right, bye.
Have you ever seen that cup? You ever see a big bird float through the sky and there's always like a little bird and he's flying his ass off doing the maneuvers and everything? Oh yeah. What'd you say that like was a grandpa?
Morning, everybody. We are just leaving a tent site we stayed at last night. Did 18 miles yesterday. Didn't quite make it to town, but we're going into Duncannon here shortly within the next couple hours. And yeah, probably just get something to eat there. Keep on pushing. So, slept pretty good. Right near a water source, so that was nice. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. You have a great day. All right, bye. Coming into Duncannon, crossing a creek, but a river over there is the Susquehanna.
Yep. That's the town.
Coming up on the famous Doyle Hotel.
There's one right in front of you too.
Yep.
You go back that way?
Yeah, going. Looks like we're going down.
Yeah, I think you want not that way. Yep. Sure. It's behind you.
Huh?
That way.
Yeah, right here. Yep.
Oh shit. Shit yanked me.
Whoa. Watch that rock. Almost lost a toe there. Yeah, shelter's only 9 miles away. Yeah, 9 miles of this today. Phew. Morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, July 12th. Just leaving Peter's Mountain Shelter. Slept pretty good. Didn't sleep in the shelter. I got a tent site, luckily. But Susan's coming to see me this weekend, so I am incredibly excited about that. And she's bringing me some new shoes. So I got some shoes recently, about 2 days ago, but they were different ones that I had been using, and they're just not working out. My feet are just killing me the past 2 days. So we've done 18 past 2 days. So we're 36 miles in from where we left a couple days ago. I'm doing another 18 a day to get to a creek. So hopefully that creek is nice and I can soak my feet a little bit at the end of the day. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and we will talk to you soon. Alright, bye. The past couple days, it's been pretty much like this, with a few breaks. But man, the poison ivy on both sides of the trail is just getting really overgrown. So it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Just gotta try to be mindful of it. But yeah, I kind of like rock hopping though. Feels like you move with a little less effort. Anyway. Morning, everybody. We are still here at Roche shelter tent site. We're not at the shelter quite yet, but we camped right before that, and because we got this awesome creek here, a little waterfall out in the distance there. So I was able to soak the feet. That was nice. We're doing 15.8 today to town, just to get off, shower, laundry, get back on trail in the morning. And then Susan's coming to get me on Friday in Port Clinton, which is 40 miles from where we're at right now. So anyway, hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. Morning, everybody. Getting back on trail today. Only about 10 minutes into hiking, and we are sweating already. But I had a nice little Nero yesterday. Was able to shower, laundry, get some stuff done. We're back on trail now and crossing over. You've seen it on YouTube before. It's the Iron Bridge Company, East Berlin. From East Berlin, Connecticut, I guess. Anyway, we're not in Connecticut though yet. Anyway. Y'all have a great Thursday, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. I think we are finally getting introduced to Roxylvania. Everything we've done thus far, yeah, it's kind of rocky, but we haven't seen it look like this yet. It's pretty crazy. It's really not bad. Kind of just rock hopping, but from what I've seen, rocks get smaller than this. It gets a lot more difficult. So that's the real stuff. But for now, man. It's not easy though. We're basically at mile 1194, gentlemen. We got roughly 1,000 miles left to Maine. And in the same day of hitting that 1,000 left to Katahdin, we got the 1,200 mile marker, baby. 1,200 miles since Springer Mountain, Georgia. What feels like a lifetime ago at this point. Good times. What's going on, everybody? We oh no, I got some some honey blood in my beard. It's no good. We did I think around 17 today. Got to this really awesome site. There's this huge pool up there that I will show you tomorrow. I'm camped right here. Got the creek flowing here. Nice setup, nice spot. So I'm gonna enjoy that. Cook some dinner here shortly. Clean up, soak my feet. Probably go to bed. It's been a long, rocky day. We're here in Roxylvania. Getting to the tough stuff of the state for sure. And then I'm hiking, I think 18 tomorrow to Port Clinton, and Susan's gonna pick me up, and we're gonna go to Reading, PA, and have fun and hang out. So I'm excited, super excited about that. So anyway, you guys have a great evening, and I will talk to you soon. All right, bye. Morning, everybody. Just waking up here at, I think it's called Hurt something or other campsite. It's near where an old shelter used to be, but they tore it down a long time ago. So we got almost 18 miles to go to get to Port Clinton, where I get to see Susan tonight, picking me up. And yeah, I'm enjoying this last little bit of this creek before I go up there and cook some breakfast and get rolling. So you guys have a great Friday. Get ready for the weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. Saw one yesterday about this size. There's another one today. Go on, dude. Hey, mister. Hey. Hey. Can you move on? Thank you. Look at that big guy. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. Don't just go down the trail. Come on now. Pretty guy, though. Have a good one. Stumbled across this. I was walking up on it and I was like, what is that? It looked like a book bag with something on top from a distance. I was like, what? No, it's a stump that they made into multiple faces. I guess to like give you a little laugh before you do this downhill. Or say, hey, wasn't that uphill fun? If you're a Sobo. So anyway. Yep. Hiking down into Port Clinton right now. And man, I'm glad we didn't have to do this climb today, that we're going downhill, you know. I'd much rather be doing this descent, because it's like about a mile, 1,000 foot down. And we're still going on in town. Slippery, dry stuff. Ooh, I see a cooler. Check it out. Maybe there's something in there. Down here, the railroad station. Here in Port Clinton. I'm guessing this is the way to go. We'll find out. That looks fun. Town of Port Clinton. Teeny tiny town. But they got a pretty nice river going through it, so I'll give them that. Morning, everybody. Back on the trail today. Back in Port Clinton. Susan dropped me off a little while ago, ate some McDonald's, and yeah, had a great time with her yesterday. Reading, Pennsylvania. Yeah, wouldn't really recommend for a nice getaway weekend, but it is what it is. We had a great time regardless. So I'm walking back to the trail now, and I don't know what I'm gonna do today, either 15 to 20, something like that. It's gonna be hot this week. Not looking forward to that, but we only got about 76 miles of Pennsylvania left, thank God. It hasn't been too bad, it really hasn't. But we're about to enter the seriousness of the Roxylvania. So, anyway, hope you guys have a great Sunday, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. Probably one of the most random things I've seen on the trail. I don't get it. Okay, wait. She did not care. She watched her wait. She did not care. So I guess I don't know what the message is here. I don't know. Talk amongst yourselves. What's going on, everybody? So, wow, yeah, today was a pretty heavy day. We did roughly 22 coming out of Palmerton at, I forgot the name of the shelter we're at. But, yeah, not the best water situation here. Look at, yeah. So we got what we could from a little pool. And it filters clear. It filters just like that, you know. But luckily there's a general store about 4 miles from here, so in a hostel, so we can go grab water there. And yeah, anyway, so you guys have a great Sunday night, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. Good morning, everybody. Just leaving Allentown shelter. If it was a much bigger shelter, probably would have stayed in it last night, because we got a torrential downpour. So we're hiking 4 miles to a hostel to figure out where we're gonna dry our stuff out today. So, but it's cool hiking in the fog like this. This looks pretty neat. Anyway, you guys have a great Monday. I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. What's up, everybody? So we just did a little 4 mile day today to a hostel. It's a nice place though. So we dried out all our stuff, laundry, shower, all that good stuff. And there was a cool place called Thunderhead Lodge, kind of an upscale-ish restaurant, but not too bad. So I got a crab cake sandwich, some wings, and a side salad. Got a couple wings to take back with me. But anyway, it's supposed to rain cats and dogs today. We didn't even get puppies or kittens. So, hiking out in the morning. It should be looking good until Saturday. All right, bye. Here outside the hostel, and we got some weather. This is what we've been waiting on all day. It's coming in. We're enjoying this view while we can. That's a good sign. everybody. Back on trail. Just left the Lookout Hostel. Very nice stay. So yeah, we just passed that water cache. That was nice to see because this section of Pennsylvania is very dry. So the trail angels come out and set up water and caches like that. So very nice of them. I just drank a little bit because it's going to be probably a little over 90 today. But I think we're only doing just 15 to Palmerton. So there's a pretty gnarly climb out of there from what I've heard. We should be getting some rock scrambles here within the next couple hours. So that'll be neat. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. This looks fun. Glad these rocks are drying out. Had to go upside down for a second. There we go. And we keep going. So we're doing the knife's edge. Look at this walk. I stowed my trekking poles. So, hands and feet today. Almost to Palmerton. But there's not much there. So, and there's not much water after that. So we're devising a plan for what we're gonna do tonight. But look, that's cool. You can see like two separate little towns. Pretty sure these are the ones we saw last night on that ridge when they were lit up. It's been a good day. Oh man, bumping. Always on the phone, always on the filming, always getting the good cuts. Whew. Getting hot. Good stuff. What's up, everybody? So yeah, we did 15 today to the town of Palmerton. There's not a lot of places to stay in Palmerton, but we instantly got a hitch from this nice young gentleman and took us over to neighboring town of what is this? Lehighton is where we're at. And so we're getting back on trail early in the morning, doing that big old crazy climb because I wanted to do it while it was before the heat. And so yeah, so we should be in New Jersey in a couple days. Super excited about that. And then that's just state shouldn't take long. And then we got New York, and we're gonna keep cruising through New England. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and hope you had a great weekend. It's Tuesday now. Well, we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.